guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you guys how I am going to cook a chayote or sayote in Tagalog. I have garlic, I have onion, I have a tomato and a red bell pepper, and also the ground beef, of course, and what else? I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato paste and a tomato sauce. So yeah, let's get started and start chopping all these ingredients. I forgot to mention that we're also going to use a ginger. First, we're gonna reheat the pan and we're gonna put some cooking oil, a little bit. And then we are going to add in the ginger. Okay. Add in the ginger first. Woohoo! And then we're gonna add the garlic. Ooh, smells so good. It sizzles. Okay, and then the onion. And then we're gonna add in our tomato. I'm gonna add a little bit butter to taste. Okay, you can see that the tomato is already soft and tender. I'm going to add in the red bell pepper. This is the Philippine seasoning, which is the Ginisang mix. If you don't have that, you can skip that part. The drizzle of soy sauce, a little bit more. Okay, this is oyster sauce, just a little bit. That will do it. And freshly ground pepper. That's about it. And then we're gonna stir it. And then I'm gonna add in my tomato paste. I like to do it first so that I can cook the tomato paste, and the color of the ground beef later will be more vibrant. We're gonna add in the beef. Make sure you wash your hands. Okay, after you mixed it well, okay, we're gonna add in a cup of water. And then we're gonna cover it and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Now it's already simmering. We're gonna take the lid off. Check our meat. Okay, this has been simmering for 10 minutes already, and I already cut my sayote like this. Make sure you take off the core because it's not edible. and I also peeled it, so this is how it looked like. It's thin because I want to cook it fast, and I don't want to overcook too. So yeah, we're gonna add in the chayote now. Okay, now this is already been simmering for like about less than 6 minutes or so, I guess. And I can tell that the chayote is already cooked because it looks like it's transparent. And you can see there's a little bit oil that comes out from the meat. This is 80% meat and 20% fat. Alright, then I'm going to add in this is a fish sauce. My timer. I don't have the Filipino fish sauce right now. If you don't like fish sauce, it's all up to you. You can use salt, but I like to use fish sauce. Just make sure you not have allergies. So we're gonna mix it well. And then we're gonna have to taste it. Okay, let's check. Ooh, that smells so good. This is the way I wanted my sayote, or ginisang sayote. So sauteed sayote looks. Okay, it's dry. I don't want. Some of you guys wanted sayote that's a little bit soupy or saucy, but this is the way I wanted it. My version. If you want too much of the grease, you can just scoop it out. You know, but most of the time, I just scoop it out. So yeah, this is ready to be served. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my video, please subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, I have tons of video that you can watch. And I hope you guys subscribe. And also hit the like button and comment down below. Also follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter account. I do have a Facebook too. So yeah, see you guys on my next vlog. Bye! So this is how I serve the sayote. This is our dinner tonight, and look how delicious looking is that, and the rice is steamy and hot.